In this video, I want to share how to get financial literacy. Our online financial education course, the Financial Literacy Academy, will teach you how to save, keep, and multiply your money to create economic stability in your life. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. Growing up as an SOB, son of banker, I learned early on the importance of financial literacy. It was hammered home at a young age. It is one of the most valuable things I have mastered. I can still hear my father telling me money isn't everything, but it is way out in front of whatever is in second place. And if you're not where you want to be money-wise, I'm sure you get it. Financial literacy is what let me retire young at the age of 50, just like my father did. It's what today lets me ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while the majority of the population is stuck at their job wishing for something better. So first, just what is financial literacy and why should you care? Well, financial literacy is the acquired knowledge and skills and the activities that you do to make sound, well-informed decisions about money. You may have heard it referred to as financial literacy or financial education. They are the same thing. And here is why financial literacy is so important. It can help you reach your money goals. This in turn can lead to far less stress, a higher quality of life, and economic stability for you and yours. It's something way too many people fail to accomplish. The key components of financial literacy are earning money, saving and investing, spending wisely, borrowing money and managing debt, and protecting your assets. Our online education, the Financial Literacy Academy, covers all of that and so much more. It's the best way I've found to master financial literacy. Because it's online, you can take it in at your convenience from wherever you want to be. It's video after video of already proven strategies that you can put to use immediately to start making better money decisions today. Start, stop, review videos as necessary. There's no better way to learn at your own pace. We have a private Facebook group where we mastermind on financial literacy with a focus on preserving and multiplying wealth. You will love being part of our group. In the Financial Literacy Academy online training, we share case studies and real-life results that I'm sure you will relate to. And it's presented by experts. Much of the course is taught by CPA, attorney, and best-selling author Mark Kohler. Go Google him. He gets as much as $2,500 for his tax and legal seminar and almost $1,000 for his crypto tax summit. Bottom line, he is the man, and you get 24/7 access to his trainings for less than the price of a one-time event. I bought the Financial Literacy Academy online education course about a year ago, and even though I consider myself to be well-versed in financial literacy, it is still one of the best investments I have ever made, and I'm guessing you would feel the same way. To learn more and review free sample content of the course, go to our website at getfinancialliteracy.com.